once upon a time, like maybe 14 months ago, I used to be able to take my sweet time in the shower on wash day, but these days, all of that has changed. So yeah, wash day isn't quite the same these days, and I definitely have to use my time more wisely. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I detangle now in under 10 minutes while I have Phoenix, which is essential in order for me to get my hair done in a day. And I'm also excited to announce that we have partnered with Amazon.com, and they're introducing Textures and Hues, a new shopping destination for all of our favorite hair products, and it literally has everything. They sent me some of my favorites to try out, some of my staples and some of my classics and basics that I need on a weekly basis. They also sent me some of my favorite do-it-yourself essentials and also some of my new faves. And I love the convenience, and I appreciate it even more now that I'm a mom. And if you don't have Amazon Prime, I'm not exactly sure what you're doing, because Amazon will have it here in a quickness. Literally almost everything I get is Prime, so it's here within 48 hours. And to make my hair shopping experience even better, on Textures and Hues, you can not only shop by product category or your favorite brands, but you can also shop by your hair type. And you can get there directly by going to amazon.com/texture-hues, and you can find all the products I use in this video there, and I'll place the link in the description box. And now that I have all of my favorite products, let me show you how I do wash day with my toddler. Now that the easy part of shampooing and conditioning is done, I'm going to show you how I detangle in under 10 minutes using my iThrive Deep Conditioner. And I still have a little bit of the Aussie 3-minute moist on my hair. So I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, put on a shower cap, and deep condition for at least 20 to 30 minutes. And whenever that is done, I'm going to hop in the shower. I will grab my aloe vera juice mixture and my oil mixture. I used to do this step outside of the shower, but now I do it in the shower. And I'm going to get started, and I'm going to set the clock for you guys so that you can see how quick I literally detangle my hair. The key is to let the water run through each section. That's gonna make detangling so much easier. And I used to not do this because it was like taboo to detangle your hair soaking wet, but you can see how easily the brush is gliding through my hair. And then after that, I add the aloe vera juice and the oil to that section after I'm done detangling, and then I just twist it up. And that took less than 2 minutes for that one section. And if I wasn't recording, this was actually probably going to take maybe around 8 minutes or so, but I finished in under 10 minutes detangling all of my hair, which used to take forever. So now my step to prep for styling is to apply my Main Choice leave-in conditioner. I love this. I recently started using this maybe a month or 2 ago, so this is kind of a new leave-in for me, but I absolutely love how soft it makes my hair feel. And that's pretty tough when it comes to leave-in conditioners, because it's hard to find a good one. So after that, I apply my leave-in and clamp each section, and usually I will stretch my hair without heat, but for time's sake, I want to do a cute style the next day. I'm going to stretch it by blow drying. So I'm going to use the Design Essentials Blowout Primer, and then I'm going to section my hair into small sections and blow dry it. And because I detangled so well, the blow dryer is literally just gliding through my hair, and just like that, my hair is nice and stretched and it is prepped for styling, and my twists are like super soft and super shiny. So I hope this helped, especially for all you busy moms out there. You can absolutely do wash day with your baby, and yeah, I think I might wear these twists for a couple of days. So in the next video you will see what style I come up with, and until next time, peace out guys. Thanks for watching.